grew up in the sandbox, now we started busting blocks. Used to struggle on the block, now we run the whole block. That wasn't enough, G-Money wanted all of this. Man, I thought I was my brother's keeper. Now I gotta grab a cutter and straight sweep him. I told his mama that I'd die for him. Now I gotta bust his dome, she gon' cry for him. If I thought that we can talk it out, then we'll talk it out. Niggas don't understand speech unless it's gun talk. Did the money change me? No, I changed money from 4s to 6s. Nigga, getting money. We was on the same road, you musta caught a flat. I got a question, if you had a chance with your rat. He took too long to answer that, nigga, blah, blah. 2 shots to your dome, boy, meet your maker. Niggas say I changed, boy, get your cake up.
I need money like a dead man need a casket. Play with my money and wind up in a casket. I need money like a dead man need a casket. Play with my money and wind up in a casket.
I'm like Jigger, can't let no nigga intervene with the sounds of my money machine. These the only sounds that soothe me and move me. If I don't hear him, I murk a boy instantly. In the land of the free, but I ain't seen nothing free. Jumped off the poach, fell up in the game. Down there wrecked my car, hopping in the fast lane. I'm driving under the influence. Cops tried to pull me over, fuck them. I kept going 60-mile radius. Left them in Bugatti smoke. Caught me at the roadblock. What the fuck you running for? Told the dick sucker, come getting to that money, ho. Money don't fold no more, it's in sex. House, bundles, Louis, bags. Tired of living broke, got up on my ass.